Nanubabaw Kabalan, welcome to Ryan Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall, Angeles City, and we are invited by Hap Chan Marquee Mall to experience an authentic Chinese restaurant dito po sa Angeles City. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Again guys, welcome to Hap Chan Marquee Mall. Look at our table for today. So we would like to thank them for being such a generous host for this vlog. Again, located po sila sa Marquee Mall, Angeles City, an authentic Chinese restaurant. So we have a lot of food to taste for today. Huwag natin sayangin yung oras natin dahil gusto ko po kayong matakam sa mga inihanda po nila sa atin. So starting off, of course, for Chinese restaurants yung mga dim sum natin. So we have numbers of dim sum dito. Popular of course is yung chicken feet, hakaw. We also have shrimp siomai, and then later on congee tayo. So kung pakita sa inyo guys, gaano kaganda yung kanilang mga dim sum dito. Ayan oh. Ang gaganda. Glaze. And ayan. Ayan. So, let's try this first one on our chili. Plus. This is their special chili sauce. Ayan. So, as soon as you bite it, guys, para siyang it explodes, no? You will actually be surprised kung ano yung nasa loob ng hakaw. So inside is actually whole shrimp, tas may konting sauce na explode, na pumuputok sa dila mo actually. Sarap nga ng chili sauce. Chili sauce. Unlimited po ba yung chili sauce dito?
Yes.
Dinadayo ang chili sauce dito, guys. Hindi binabayaran. Wow. You know what? I can do this all day. It's a boy! So, usually, mas masarap dito guys is dipping the asado. Any way you like it. Ayan. Ibang klase po yung dip, yung sauce. Actually guys, yung sauce nila parang pang-ulam na. Really? So order po kayo ng kanin plus yung siopaw sauce nila. Solve ka na. So this is their beef wonton. Notice, meron tayong bok choy plus siomai. Ayan. Wow. Actually guys, so earlier pagdating nito, this is still steaming hot. So as always, kapag soup, as soon as it is served, kainin na po natin. Ayan. Look at that beef. Oh wow. Sarap ng broth niya guys, ang sarap. So this is their nido soup with sweet corn. It's still hot. Ayan, meron pa siyang steam. So I like it. Wow. This actually is your starter whenever you go to a Chinese restaurant. Most of the time, so they're gonna start with this soup. Oh wow, I like it. Look at this. You mean this special fried rice, no? Actually, in itself, may ulam na. No, you have some pork bits, shrimp, egg, some vegetables. In itself is complete meal. Ito yung kanilang sweet and sour. This is a pork. Look at that. So sa mga Actually, mga traditional Chinese restaurant, this meal are the staple, no? Sweet and sour, broccoli, whole fried chicken. Ito muna yung titikman natin. Wow. Again, very traditional taste. Guys, I'm actually saving up space for this one. So, tawag nila dito is assorted cold cuts. 5 kinds. 5. So, what do we have here? Meron tayong lechon Macau. This is roasted pork asado. Meron din tayong kikiam. A very special meat. Para siyang morcon, no? And then century egg. And then in the middle is actually a jellyfish. I gotta show it to you guys. This, ayan, no? I think sa mga food explorers, those who really wanna try food once in a while, you gotta try. Ako, first time kong titikim ng kanilang jellyfish. Whew. First time to try jellyfish. Let me taste it. Oh. A little bit salty, a little bit sour. Actually, parang nga siyang you're eating gelatin. Parang ganun yung consistency niya. I really got interested with this one. Go check it out if you got interested as well. Sa akin, bago to. Yan, sa akin, bago to. We tried the other dishes. This time, this beef broccoli. Again, very staple sa mga Chinese restaurant is this one. If you don't know what to order, go for this one actually. Beef broccoli, wow. Yung mga cuts natin for the beef, they are really chunky, no? Medyo malalaki. Look at the colors ng broccoli natin. They're so green, lush green, no? Fresh na fresh. So, clean palate tayo guys dito sa kanilang fresh fruit shake. So this is, again, obviously it's a watermelon. So for the fruits, mango, pineapple, 4 seasons, and watermelon. Ako personally, they gave my favorite, watermelon. I would order a watermelon. Konti na lang, fully charged na ako actually. But I gotta try this one. Again, whenever a family goes to a Chinese restaurant, it never fails na nag-order po sila ng tea. So meron tayong crackers, meron tayong whole fried chicken. So let me try this one. Let me try yung drumstick. Ito. Whoa. Ayan. So these are actually flavored shrimp crackers. As is, you can actually, crunch them, munch them. Pero masarap, parang may naman, suka, no? Oh. Chicken nuggets! Shrimp crackers. Shrimp crackers. Actually, I wanna taste them without any, suka muna. And then, of course, ayan, isa sa mga dishes na you shouldn't miss when you go to Hap Chan is actually their fried chicken. This is Hap Chan fried chicken. Hindi na tayo mahihirapan sa pangalan. Hap Chan crispy fried chicken. Ayan, golden brown. Look at that, no? And ang ganda ng pagkakahiga ng chicken natin, no? Talagang relax na relax siya. Oh, wow. No joke, no joke. So, a little bit smoky again, no? And then yung mga herbs and spices natin dito is actually exploding. Ang sarap ng mga nila. Ginamit nilang pampalasa dito. For the last one, I gotta show you this one, guys. Ang guwapo. Ayan, no? Ang pogi, no? Ang pogi. This is a special congee. I gotta taste it. Sorry, guys. In the middle, without any sahog muna. Wow. Paired talaga siya sa chili sauce. Then a little bit of everything. Wow, he never fails. Yeah man, ha? Sorry, I miss you, pero... So, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kapag nag-crave kayo ng mga Chinese dishes, you gotta go to Marquee Mall, check out Hap Chan. Ang landmark natin dito, it's just across the terminal. And then from here, you can actually see yung pinaka footbridge, no? So, operational hours natin is small hours. Parking, it's not a problem. Actually, you can from the parking lot dun sa likod natin, siguro around 200-300 meters of walk papunta po dito, and then you're gonna arrive sa Hap Chan Marquee Mall. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys.